Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. We will hear more about them later. Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome here again. I am filming this when I'm at the tail end of a head cold. That's why my voice sounds so sexy. Today we're going to show you a week of lunches as a busy mom. I've been in such a bad habit of like not really eating lunch just because like I'll eat breakfast and make time for breakfast, and obviously we do like family dinner, but I've not been taking time for lunch. They just get so busy during the day, like we're out and about or we're at home, just the craziness of, I don't know how my sister does it with 5 kids, because even 2 children, I'm like, I don't know how to do anything. I still don't know how to like function as a person. Like basic things like feeding myself. I just need to eat a proper lunch. So we're gonna do a week of lunches today and keep it really mellow. A little voiceover action here. So that is it. The first lunch we're having today is a very simple salad. Since having my second baby, it's honestly been so hard to get a salad in. I love crunchy, fresh green salads, but to be honest, they take some time to make and they take some time to eat. I'm kind of a slow eater in general, so a salad takes me extra long to chew thoroughly. Eating loads of fresh foods every day really is my favorite way to eat. I feel such a difference in my energy levels if I'm not focusing my diet primarily on fruits and vegetables. While carbohydrates are my very best friends, I do really prefer to include a higher protein and a higher fat source in most meals, just so I feel more satisfied throughout the day. So for this one, I included crispy garbanzo beans roasted in the oven with a touch of olive oil, salt, pepper, and spices like garlic powder and onion powder. I also made a simple tahini dressing with lemon juice and salt and a little bit of maple syrup. This was not a very filling lunch for me, so about an hour later, I also had some avocado toast. The second lunch we're making today is mashed potatoes with roasted vegetables and leftover gravy from Thanksgiving. This is a super simple lunch with a lot of flavor. There are so many amazing plant-based gravy recipes out there, but this one is from The First Mess, a wonderful vegan food blog. My friend Gabe had us over for Thanksgiving and she made this gravy, and it really is the best gravy ever. And she sent us home with a jar full. So grateful for that. It takes a bit of time to prepare because you have to caramelize the vegetables in the oven before blending it all up, but you can easily and very quickly make gravy with tahini and vegetable broth and nutritional yeast and miso on the stove. I like to boil up some gold potatoes and not even peel them for my mashed potatoes. It's very, very easy. And for our roasted veggies, we're going to coat them in this delicious curry balsamic from California Balsamic. It's so good, and I highly recommend trying out some of their awesome flavors. And yeah, that's it. Veggies, potatoes, and gravy. Such a comforting lunch. Our third lunch is a recipe from one of my favorite vegan cookbooks, Simply Delicious Vegan, written by Caitlin Shoemaker, who is the face behind my favorite recipe blog, From My Bowl. This is a chickpea tikka masala, and the flavor is absolutely perfect and it's so easy to make. I really love sharing recipes that are not my own because there's no sense fixing what ain't broke, you know what I mean? I myself use the wonderful free resources out there online as well as purchased cookbooks, and I just don't feel the need to experiment and come up with new ideas all the time. That's honestly exhausting and such a waste of money if the recipe doesn't turn out. I love working with a tried and true recipe that is certain to turn out well and please the whole family. This chickpea tikka masala recipe is so good, and we all love it. Our final lunch today is a tofu noodle salad bowl that I make quite often actually because everyone in the family loves noodles and tofu. First, we're going to make our tofu. My favorite tofu is the high protein, super firm tofu from Trader Joe's. We get it all the time and we use it all the time. It's affordable and you don't have to press the water out because it's just that firm. And all you do to prepare the tofu is chop it into cubes, toss it in some tamari or soy sauce and nutritional yeast, and bake it at 425 for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how crispy you want it, or in my case, how much time you have. We are going to put some ramen noodles on top of fresh vegetables like arugula, romaine, carrots, and bell pepper, and whatever veggies you have on hand. I love fresh herbs like cilantro and green onion. Then we're going to make the dressing inspired by the Green Lightning dressing from the Esselstyn family. It's got tamari, rice vinegar, maple syrup, crushed red pepper flakes, lime zest, lime juice, pressed garlic, minced jalapeno, and minced ginger. And I ended up adding a large scoop of tahini too to add some fat and creaminess. With the noodles on top of the crunchy vegetables and the crispy tofu and the zingy dressing, this salad is so satisfying and delicious. I hope you love it. And you know what? I only included 4 lunches here in this video because that's all I could manage. And this was filmed over 2 weeks because really it's so hard for me to make the time to sit down for a proper lunch. But I'm trying to get better at it. Most of the time what I end up eating for lunch is quickly scarfed down leftovers or avocado toast. Or yeah, that's pretty much it. Or just like lots of small snacks throughout the day. And it's just not enough food for me as a breastfeeding mother. Let me know in the comments if you're a parent and sitting down for a real lunch is just as hard for you as it is for me. Okay, that's all for now. Remember, I have an affiliate link for Caraway in the description box. I love my beautiful Caraway pans. They are non-toxic, non-stick. And if you're someone who is on your vegan journey and you want to learn more about how to make your vegan lifestyle sustainable and effortless, I have a link in my description box to my free masterclass on this topic. I won't see you guys until after Christmas, so I hope you have some very merry holidays. This video is brought to you by Squarespace, my favorite website building platform that takes you from A to Z in the website building process without ever hiring a designer. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content, manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights all on one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system, use their powerful blogging tools, and manage inventory. Squarespace is my preferred platform because it's incredibly easy to use, fully integrated, and the result is a beautiful website that you can call your own. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Oh my gosh.